In this video, you will be learning how to schedule messages in Telegram. Perhaps you want to send messages, happy birthday wishes, wedding anniversary wishes a day, 2, 3 before, and because you know that on the particular day, you might forget or it might slip your mind because of so much activities. So you want to schedule the message on Telegram for a person. What you need to do now, we'll be walking you through in this video, few simple steps, and you are good to go. Telegram has made available the option of scheduling a message, and this is a game on for Telegram. Now, before we go straight into the video, do also subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and also give us a thumb up if you find this video helpful. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. If you have recommendations or feedbacks, do also to the comment section to get in contact with us. Now let's go straight into the video. Now you want to go straight into your Telegram app. This feature works for both chat, both channel, both find somebody I'd like to schedule a message for, and okay, okay, I think I'm going to use this person, and I'm just going to use just going to type my message. Hi there, how are your studies? Hi there, how are your studies? So I have my message there. Now, instead of sending the message directly using the same send icon, I'm going to just use a long press. I'm going to long hold on that, and the option schedule message pops out. Okay, so I'm just going to click on schedule message, and if I want it to be tomorrow, okay, which is Sunday 13th, just get to fill out the date and also get to fill out the time, and so we have send. So the message will be there, but the person on the other end will not see it. It will be automatically delivered on the scheduled date. So that's how you schedule messages in Telegram. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.